Welcome to my channel, Shyamun Trekking and Traveling. Arrived Gandikota and we are entering the fort. We need not park our vehicles outside. We just enter and move towards till the end of this road where we can park our vehicles. It is 334 kilometers from Chennai, 78 kilometers from Kadappa, 238 kilometers from Bangalore. From this parking place on the right hand side, 4 places are there to see. On the left side, 2 places to visit. On the right side, we can see Jumma Masjid, Granary, Ranganayakulu Temple and Penna River Valley or Indian Grand Canyon. The Jumma Masjid, the heritage building in Mughal architecturing style, is so beautiful to visit. And have a look at its architecturing style, the pillars, the mirrors, the beautiful lawn around this masjid. Surrounded by a neatly built structure. What a nice view of this mirror. After this, we will going to visit Granary. Granary meant for storing warehouse for grains in ancient days. A huge hall with multiple pillars, maybe around 10 meters height, and the pillars were maybe by 4.5 feet. Nicely built in those days itself. Maintained well by Archaeology Society of India. A nice view from the inner side of the wall. A ASI staff is sitting the side by. Actually, there is no entry charges or fees are collected here. It's a totally free to visit. Next one, we are moving towards Ranganayakulu Temple, a nice temple, an ancient temple. This is the entrance. Mr. Sundar entering. What we see is the front hall or Pradhan Mandap. This is the side hall. Both sides the halls are there. Some in dilapidated condition. Singam is moving in front of me. Yeah, this front hall is with a lot of pillars with carvings. A nicely built one. The inner hall or inner mandap, and this is the inner sanctum where there is no idol or statue. may be preserved by the ASI. We can see from here Madhavaraya temple, which will visit in the afternoon. The masjid we visited a little bit earlier. Our people are standing on the top of the entrance. A walk around the temple, a nice lawn. They are really a beautiful structure to visit. The next place we are going to see is the Pennar River Valley, or the Indian Grand Canyon. The fort of Gandikota got its name due to the gorge. That is, in Telugu, gorge means Gandi, fort means Kota. So Gandikota means gorge fort. This fort is in between Erramala range of hills, also known as Gandikota Hills, and the river Pennar that flows at its foot. Erramala means Erra in Telugu, red. Mala means hills, red hills. The next place to visit is Madhavaraya temple, a nicely built one with a huge, tall temple tower, a 4-story one. The entrance itself is a beautiful one, with the pillars of carvings. All the pillars are attached with the side walls, approximately 10 meters height. The entrance itself. The overall temple tower height may be around about 20 meters or 25 meters, which we can see from around the 5 kilometers. Nice carvings indeed. What we are seeing is the front hall. This is the side structures. A nice temple tower. Not with the kalasams. Usual temple towers are having the kalasam. Here it's not there. This is the front hall or Pradhan Mandap. Similar to the Ranganayagalu temple, all the pillars are with carvings. Beautifully carved indeed. And this is the inner mandap, inner hall. A nice ceiling. This is the inner sanctum. As you shall know, idol or statue may be preserved by the ASI. Nice lawn. The camera can enter beyond this grill. A beautiful valley beyond this temple wall, and walk around the temple. Came out of the temple. This is a way that is going to jail structure. This is the view of the Madhavaraya temple from the jail structure. The jail structure is nothing but a square hall. This is the last point. And we stayed in the night there with intense. Thanks for viewing. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video well. Thank you.